Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like money just evaporates? One moment it is payday, the next moment you are wondering why your wallet feels like a ghost town. Here's the thing. Money is not just about how much you earn, it is about how you use it. And yet, nobody really teaches us how to handle money when we are starting out. We learn algebra, but not how to avoid overdraft fees. That is why in this video, I am going to share personal finance tips for beginners that will actually make a difference. These are simple, practical moves that anyone, whether you are 18 or 45, can start today to save money, manage it better, and finally feel in control. Stick with me until the end, because not only will you walk away with a clear plan, but I will also give you a sneak peek into our next video, ways to earn passive income online. And trust me, you will want to connect the dots between saving money and making money while you sleep. Point 1. Track your spending like a detective. Step 1. Figure out where your money is going. Because let's be real, half the time, we do not even notice how much we are spending on random stuff. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even just your bank app can help you track expenses. Or you can do it old school with a notebook. The point is not to make it complicated, it is to shine a spotlight on your habits. Here is the emotional trigger. Imagine cutting out just $5 a day on mindless purchases. That is $150 a month, almost $2,000 a year. That is not just coffee money, that is vacation money, debt payoff money, or savings money. Awareness is your first weapon. Point 2. Separate needs from wants. This sounds simple, but it is the hardest habit to master. Knowing the difference between needs and wants. Needs are essentials: rent, utilities, food. Wants are extras: eating out 3 times a week, the latest iPhone upgrade, or those sneakers that cost more than your rent. I am not saying you should never enjoy life, but here's the trick. Before every purchase, pause and ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it right now? That 2-second pause can save you thousands over time. Think of it like dieting. If you eat cake every day, you are broke and unhealthy. If you balance your meals, you enjoy the cake without wrecking your life. Same goes for money. Point 3. Pay yourself first. Here is a mindset shift that changes everything. Pay yourself first. What most people do is pay bills, buy stuff, spend on entertainment, and then save whatever's left. Spoiler, nothing is left. Instead, flip the script. The moment you get paid, move money into savings or investments, even if it is just $20. By doing this, you are treating your future self like a priority, not an afterthought. Think of it this way. If you can set aside even 10% of your income, you are training your brain to live below your means, and that is the foundation of wealth. It is not about the amount, it is about the habit. Point 4. Automate everything. Here is the truth. Humans are lazy. That is why automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Automate bill payments so you never get hit with late fees. Even automate your investments. Many apps let you invest spare change without you even noticing. Why does this matter? Because willpower is unreliable. Automation means you save and invest without having to think about it. It's like brushing your teeth. You do not wake up every day debating whether you will do it, you just do it. Automate your money the same way, and good habits run on autopilot. Point 5. Avoid lifestyle creep. Let's talk about a sneaky money trap, lifestyle creep. This is when your income goes up and so do your expenses. You get a raise and suddenly you're driving a nicer car, eating out more, upgrading your apartment. Before you know it, you're making twice as much as you used to, but still broke. Wealth is not about what you earn. It is about what you keep. If you can resist upgrading every part of your life the moment you earn more, you will actually see your bank account grow. Instead of flexing with a new gadget, flex with financial security. Trust me, peace of mind is the ultimate luxury. So let's bring it all together. Personal finance for beginners does not have to be overwhelming. It is about 5 simple moves. Number 1, track your spending. Check 2, separate needs from wants. 3, pay yourself first. 4, automate everything. 5, avoid lifestyle creep. Do these consistently and you will start to see real results. Your savings will grow, your stress will shrink, and for once your money would not feel like it is slipping through your fingers. Here is the bigger picture. Managing money is not about restriction. It is about freedom. The freedom to say yes to opportunities, to handle emergencies without panic, and to build the future you actually want. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe, because saving money is only half the battle. The real magic happens when you start making money while you sleep. And that is exactly what we will cover in the next video. Ways to earn passive income online. You would not want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, money is a tool. Use it wisely today and it will work for you tomorrow.